I just got done making me a pot of maidenhair fern tea, and I keep this stuff on hand during the winter time, and this is great for bronchitis, lung ailments, whooping cough, great for whooping cough. So it's going around America right now, this norovirus and all that. Maidenhair fern is good medicine for that stuff, so you want to remember that. And that's sage in that bag. I've always got enough to get me through the winter, because you can't find it during the winter months. So you want to harvest it in the fall, right before late fall. Have that stuff on hand. I'm drinking me some. Gonna get rid of these sniffles.